Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariela and I'm a professional makeup artist. In this video I'm gonna recreate Elsa look from Disney's Frozen. If you wanna know how I did this look, just keep watching. Let's do the thing. First I'm gonna apply my primer. This one is from Benefit. This is the professional one. I'm gonna use my finger for it and I'm gonna apply it on my T-zone. Next, I'm gonna apply my foundation. This is the Dior Forever foundation. My shade is 1.5 neutral, and I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge to apply it. Alright, let's continue with the concealer. This is Dior Forever Skin Concealer. My shade is 1.5 neutral. I blend my concealer in. I'm using the Real Technique sponge for it. Let's apply our powder. I'm gonna use my La Prairie powder. I really love this powder. And today, instead of the brush, I'm gonna use the puff that it comes with. So my foundation is set now, and I am gonna do contouring. I'm gonna use my blush from MAC. It's in the shade Harmony. So my next step is blush. I'm gonna use the Tarte blush. It's in the shade Harmony. To our eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Benefit eyebrow pencil. This is the Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 3. To set my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the brow setter from Benefit. Next thing I'm gonna highlight. This is my Becca highlighter. This is the Champagne Pop one, and I'm gonna use a big large shader brush for it. I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyebrow. and also the rest of my face. Today I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Nude palette. Here's my brush. First I'm gonna go inside this shade, it's called Teddy. It's a nice light brown shade. I'm gonna use it as a transition shade in my crease. My next shade will be this one. It's called Tickle. It's like a light mauve shade. And I'm gonna apply it into my crease. Then I'm gonna take a pencil brush and we'll go inside this shade. It's called Spanked. It's a darker mauve shade. And I will just apply it on my outer corner to make it deeper. I'm also gonna apply this shade on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna blend it out with the blending brush. Next I'm gonna go inside the shade Tickle and I'm gonna use a small shader brush. Mine is from MAC, it is the 239 one, and I'm gonna apply this shade on my lid. And on top of the shade, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Neon palette. This is the pink one. And then I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I'm gonna use my ring finger to pack it on. I'm gonna take a small brush, make it wet. I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Glass spray for it and go inside the shade and apply it in my inner corner. Next step, I'm just gonna line my eyes up. Let's do our lashes. I'm gonna use my Chanel mascara. On my bottom lashes, I'm gonna use this primer. This is from Chanel. It's just white one. And while the lashes are wet, I'm gonna apply this shade here. So if you want, you can leave this look as it is now and move on to the lips. But I'm gonna apply my lashes. These are the Huda Beauty Hoodie lashes. I'm gonna apply them and be right back. My lashes are on. Let's move on to the lips. I'm gonna use my lip liner from MAC. This is the Subculture. Of my lips, I'm gonna apply this lipstick. This is Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know the shade of it. I'm gonna just apply it in the middle of my lips. And that's it, guys. This is my Elsa look. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and I see you guys in the next video.